Then, Jacob, after we saw the assault rifle and the submachine gun, we know that CZ is also manufacturer of a full range of handguns. Can you present the range of CZ?
Yeah, sure. Basically, here you can see just a part of the production portfolio the CZ is producing today. All of these guns are based on the original concept of the CZ-75, and you can see that today we are producing different handguns in a different size category, from the subcompact to standard ones, also from the service weapons, from the military law enforcement, as well for the sport shooting and competition as well. So the range of the CZ is quite huge today.
We had the chance this morning to saw a test fire of the CZ-75. Can you explain more details about this very nice weapon?
Yeah, sure. What did you saw earlier today are the two guns from the military and law enforcement segment, namely the CZ P-07 and CZ P-09. Actually, the service weapons with a polymer frame. So also we are using different kind of technology for the different purpose of the gun as well. So we have a steel frame, alloy frame, and the polymer as well, just because of mostly because of the weight of the gun, of course. Those guns were specially intended for the military and law enforcement. So we knew that we have to concentrate or focus on the two main things. That at first the gun has to be 100% reliable, and has to shoot well, of course, and that it has to be very good shooting comfort under any possible conditions the military operative or the police officer can face somewhere in the world, because we are delivering the guns to over 100 countries today.
P-09 and P-07 is the latest products of your range of product. Can you give me some details and some information about this new product?
Sure. We concentrate mostly that the gun has to be very tough one, according for the service standards as well. And we went far beyond the standard NATO and military tests. So we put very much attention to make the gun resistant against any corrosion, against any rough handling or mechanical damage on the gun as well. So you can see over here that, for example, if I take the P-07 with the new surface treatment we have, and I would try to scratch the surface with the magazine, I will be able to wipe down the damage just with my finger. And this is the surface treatment that is on the slide, on the barrel, and all main metal parts as well. Also, we wanted operative that will be able to adapt the gun how he likes it, or how he is trained.
If you compare to maybe ask the same question as for the assault rifle and the submachine gun, what is the main advantage of your weapons if you compare to your other competitors in the market of weapons?
Well, for a handgun, it definitely will be precision. When speaking with a P-09, magazine capacity is extraordinary, because we have 19 rounds in the magazine chambered in 9mm. Also, you can adapt the magazine capacity with a polymer magazine bottom, so you're able to expand this magazine capacity by 2 rounds, so you're able to have a 21+1 rounds in a 9mm in your service, in your secondary gun. So that's quite a lot. And of course, always the main goal of the CZ was the ergonomics of the gun. So it's very polite to shoot, it's very easy to shoot, and it's just intuitive to use with no difficulties for mostly anyone, I would say.
And finally, to conclude this interview, I would like to know if you have a message for your customer. What is your message?
Oh, well, I would definitely like to thank to each and every customer or a military and law enforcement operative who is using our guns, who made a decision to use our guns, and we are very welcoming any feedback they can give us to make our products even better. So thank you for using seated guns.
Thank you very much, Jacob.
Thank you.